All right, you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Describe a place when you visited on vacations. About 2 months ago, my family and I went on a vacation to Islamabad. Islamabad is a big city, capital city of Pakistan. It is about 700 kilometers from my hometown. Normally, for such long distance, we prefer to going by air. However, the time was decided to go by car due to some COVID situations. We mainly went there. My cousin's wedding. The wedding ceremony for 2 days, and we decided to stay for 2 days extra to visit tourist attractions. We had the wedding ceremony for 2 days, and for the first 2 days we never left the marriage ceremony. We all had a great time because of corona. My cousin friends could not invite a lot of people. The next 2 days we spent sightseeing and shoppings. Islamabad has a huge big city of culture. It has many places to visit. Tourist attraction like Manal, Shaikila, so on. We went all the above places except Manal Kila. Actually, my cousin friend had offered to us to take us shopping and get some clothes and home decorations. It was a really wonderful experience to us. I wish I had to go again if someone invited me next time.
Okay, if someone invites me next time. You spoke for 1 minute 54 seconds. Overall, it's good. Fluency is better, but there is a lot of repetition as well at the same time. You take certain pauses too. Mainly, it's grammar which is important. Like you said, to going. After to, we use first form. Then for tourist attraction or attraction, you use the word extraction. It should be attraction. Then you're using the word killa. Killa is not the right word. Fort. Okay. And then there were some more mistakes related to present and past. You said get some clothes. So got some clothes. Right? We got some clothes from there, or we purchased some clothes from there. So these type of mistakes are the main hindrances towards your speaking. Let's see. What are some popular attractions that people like to visit in your country?
As you know, Pakistan is a huge country, and it has a long culture. It is a long
Will you
culture.
please close the book? Close the book. Now answer. Do old people and young people like to go to different places for vacation?
Yes, old people and young people has on more to visit their places. Like has if I ask if I
See, in your answer, there is no information, no knowledge. It's only repetition of the question again and again, and you're not giving proper answer. So focus part 3 as well.
Yes.
This is something very serious for you. Looking at your overall performance at present, I'll give you a 5.5. Your main area for improvement is grammar, ideas, right, and proper fluency. Thank you.